Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So first repair Windows file. So click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator. Then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. And when it is completed then try to second one because of this is so important for your system. Then second one this. Okay, this all command I will give in description so you can easily copy paste, otherwise you can manually type also. So it will start 100% then completed. Okay, and after that next install and update the latest one, Microsoft Visual C++. Open any browsers to Google search box to type um, Microsoft Visual, download, then click to first link. You can use and second link also the same. Scroll down, click to download. Okay, 64-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, select 32 and click to download. After that it will start the downloading start. And then click to open. After that click to I agree and then install it. Okay, you are getting issue, no worry, click and close it. If you are getting issues, but mostly is you don't use this, then use older one. 86, click to start. Sorry, 64-bit. Then single click, repair. Because of I already installed, that's why. So if you are getting issues, so you can uninstall first and after that you can install. Otherwise when you try to installing, you are getting uninstall or repair, so you can click repair. So after that what happened, it will override the latest update. Okay, and then close it and close the browser, and then it will complete it. Then it will stock like this. Then click to select and then click to hit enter. It will start again once again. Okay, then it completed. Then restart your system guys, then please check it your issue is resolved or not. Please comment. If not resolved, I will create another video for this. Thank you.